Hey, what's up? My name's Samuel Leeds, and in this video, I'm going to be giving you 7 reasons why I love investing in property. I've been investing in property now for 12 years. I've made millions of pounds investing in property, so I really like it. And unlike a lot of people make a lot of money doing something and then they keep their cards close to their chest. They try and put other people off doing it, whereas I'm the opposite. I've made so much money in property. I've brought my family in it. I brought my friends in it. I set up a training company, which by the way, I make no money from and I don't take a salary from or any dividends at all. I love doing it. I love teaching people about property. I love inspiring people to invest in property. So I thought I'd shoot a video giving you the 7 reasons why I love property so much. So if you like my videos, by the way, if you appreciate my YouTube channel, I do a new video every single day. Please do me a massive favor and smash the like button. Smash the like button. Also, if you're not subscribed already, subscribe, turn the notification bell on. So I've written down 7 reasons right here. I'm going to share them with you. And also, if there's anything I've not thought of, maybe you can come up with an 8th reason, comment it below. So the first reason is this: people will always need somewhere to live, no matter what the economy is doing. And this is why I love buying properties so much. People say, oh, it's a bit risky. You know, what could happen? The house might go down in value. But the bottom line is this: if you buy a house, it's always going to give you rent because someone always needs to live in a house. And I remember a few years ago, people were trying to persuade me. I actually had a meeting with Lord Sugar, and Lord Sugar was saying to me, you know, why don't you invest in commercial property? Buy commercial property. And I really respect Lord Sugar, but I'm really glad I didn't take his advice on that point. Now, he gave me a lot of other good advice, to be fair, because commercial properties right now are not renting out very easily. In fact, right now, people are buying commercial properties and they're converting them into residential properties for people to live in. And I just feel like when you're buying homes, it's a very safe investment, because even if people run out of money, even if people can't afford to do fancy holidays, then they're still going to need somewhere to live. They're still going to need to pay rent. And if you own the houses, you own the monopoly board, and you're always going to be okay financially. So that's reason number 1. Reason number 2 is because there is still a massive shortage of houses and an overpopulation of people. Now, I'm in the UK right now. The UK is an island. It's a very small island. In fact, on a globe, when you look at the UK, it's actually smaller than it appears on the globe, because we blow it up on our globes because of our egos, because we are Great Britain. It's a tiny island. Now, right now in the UK, there's a massive shortage of houses and there's an overpopulation of people. And that's only going to get more so because people are divorcing like crazy. I don't like divorce. I don't think it's a nice thing. But when there's divorces, what happens is one family suddenly becomes 2. And then there needs more houses. So people are being born into this country. People are fighting to come into this country, literally. And not just this country. If you're anywhere in the world right now, there's over 7 billion people on the planet. That is scary high. And people are literally freaking out, saying there's not enough space on the planet. So if you buy land and you buy houses, then there's only one way that they're going to go down the line, and I think that's up. Someone once said, don't wait to buy land and wait. So that's reason number 2. Reason number 3 is because properties hold their value better than nearly any other investment, as well as producing cash flow. So reason number 3 is, if you put your money in the bank, the money's going to shrink. The money's going to depreciate in value, because as cost of living goes up, but the money stays the same, the money's going to become worth less. Not worthless, but worth less over time. Properties is the opposite. Properties hold their value and over time they appreciate. I love that about property. I love that properties go up and then go down, then people get scared and people sell, I buy, and then they go up again. So not only do they appreciate their value and you get capital appreciation, but also they give you rent. You get paid twice in property, once in capital appreciation, once in rent. I love that. All right, reason number 4. The banks will give you money to buy properties. If you want to invest in the stock market, you can't get a mortgage on stocks. If you want to invest in gold or anything, you can't get any. You want to invest in Bitcoin, the banks won't go, here you go, I'll loan you money to buy that. Whereas properties, you can borrow traditionally 75% of the purchase price you can borrow from a bank. That's amazing. Oh, and by the way, interest rates are lower than they've been since the 1600s. So interest rates right now are really low. The banks are lending out money, which means that you can buy more properties, get more capital appreciation, and get more rent. And also, when the property goes up, you can borrow more money against it. You can refinance it, pull money out, and you don't pay any tax on debt. So capital appreciation, you refinance, pay zero tax. I love that about property. I love that you can leverage other people's money. You can leverage the bank's money in property. You can do joint ventures. You can raise finance. Love the flexibility. There's not many investments where you can do that. All right. Number 5, property is bricks and mortar. I love that. I love that I can visit one of my investments. You know, I mean, you invest in lots of things. It's just on a screen. It's just on a screen. It's like, okay, how's it doing? I love that I can go and I'm driving around Birmingham and I'm like, that's my house. That's my house. That's my house. I love that. I love that I can see it. I can touch it. I can feel it. I can sniff it. It's nice. No one can steal it from you because it's attached to the ground. You know, I mean, people take the mickey out of me for saying this, but it's true. No one can steal it. I mean, people say, but the Queen could technically steal it. That's not going to happen. You know, you own gold, it can get robbed. You got money in the bank can go bust. Sorry. In fact, you save up loads of money and you put it in the bank. You know what the bank do? The bank invest it. Bank invest it probably into real estate. So if everyone tomorrow went to the bank and said, can I have my money, please? They'd be like, oh, no, we can't. So, and if the bank goes bust, you're only going to be left with, depending on how much you've got in the bank, potentially a small amount of your savings. So it's not safe. Property, safe. Bricks, mortar, see it, feel it, touch it, sniff it, whatever you want, it's there. No one can steal it. It's yours. You own the title deeds. I love that. All right, next. Number 6. You can negotiate to buy property below market value. Again, this is mega. There's a lot of investments where the price is the price. You know, if you're doing gold or silver or Bitcoin, it's just, that's the price right now. Property, you can say that's the price right now, but I'm gonna find someone really motivated and I'm gonna buy it cheap. That's a great skill. You know, the fact that you can buy it cheap, the fact that if you're a people person, you know how to network, get in with the right people, you can get massively discounted bargain properties. That's an amazing thing. All right, lastly, number 7. This is number 7. By the way, if you like the video, please do me a favor, smash the like button. Number 7 is this. You can invest money in property, but you can also make money in property. The pie is big enough for everybody. What do I mean by that? If you haven't got any money right now, you can package a deal, negotiate the price down. You haven't got any money to buy it. You can't invest in it, but you can sell the deal on to somebody else. So the pie is so big. You can do rent to rents, where you can control a property without buying it and make money from the monthly cash flow. So as well as investing profits, making fast pound and slow pound. Love that. I love that you can make money as a property entrepreneur and then invest the profits as a property investor. So they're the 7 reasons. I'm sure there's a million more. Comment your thoughts below. If there's another reason that I missed out, something blindingly obvious that's amazing about property, comment below. If you enjoy my videos, please do me a favor, smash the like button, turn the subscribe button on and the notification bell on. Also, I've done another video for you, which I think you're gonna really, really like. Check it out right now, it is here. Loads of people have become financially free as a result of my trainings. And if you want to hear their stories, you can check them out right here. And please do me a massive favor and subscribe right here. Appreciate it. See you next time.